Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I have my folk art color shifting green, gold, and turquoise. And it occurs to me, what's missing? The emerald? Yes, the emerald, color shifting emerald. And I have some Modern Masters Venetian blue, and that's an iridescent. And I have some folk art fire opal. I also have some other, I have some orange from folk art that's almost gone. I don't know if that'll get used or not. And then I have some gold. And I could use a shovel and start with a shovel, but I think what I want to do right now in this experiment is give myself a minute to try. Let's start with my favorite color, my favorite my favorite color shifting color, and see how that works. It doesn't look like it's going to hold enough. I also kept thinking that it would be nice if I used anything at all to make my paint go all the way forward so it's a nice sharp line on the edge. We'll just be seeing how far this will go. Further than I thought it would. I really wish I had some purple flash. I must have some purple flash. You know what? I have purple flash. I'm just releasing that slowly. This is going to be a little bit gummy. Here's my purple flash. That's very necessary. I just want to dribble it on. Of course I do. I've got smaller scoops and larger scoops and shovels, but I just want to play. Fast and loose. May not make any sense. To anyone but me. But it's a start. And it'll be fun. Let's do a double. I don't know if that's going to work there. Hopefully I'm still in frame. Now this is a matte black canvas, which means for me, since I didn't coat it with my own base coat, that I will be using the Liquitex with water combination to coat over the finished product. Yes, I'm just freely mixing in my little scoop. I don't know if I can do this in a timely manner this way, but I'm willing to give it a shot. And if there's not enough of the color you like, put some more in. If this doesn't work, I can always embellish it with dots tomorrow. I haven't used any gold. I'm not super duper thrilled. I think I might as well just hold on to this thing. That is an indoor-outdoor gold I've been trying to use. I'm going to use some of this folk art color shifting orange. I really want something else. I think the magenta, it's golden, it just has some iridescent pearl fine and it will help me out some. Even if all I do is fill in the gaps. It should still be fun. I think if I put some of this nice green in here, I could definitely dribble some. I kind of also think if I add 2 greens on top of that gold with some purple and a little bit of this mysterious, where's my skewer? There it is. Let's give it a little stir. So that's not really what I intended, but that's okay. Don't mind linking those two. I kind of have to get a few marks down on the canvas in order to see what I like. As far as areas of color go. Whoops. It's a little clumsy, but I'm getting used to it. So I'm going to put a little bit of that gold in there. I wish I had some really dark iridescent blue, but I really don't. So I'll just go back to the Venetian blue from and I keep thinking I don't like that orange by Folk Art that's color shifting, but I really do. So, being that I'm going to run out of it soon, probably time too, I'm going to try it with some fire opal, because I know they'll be different, and a little bit of that purple too. I see that green there and I kind of like it, and I see that dust there and I really don't. Got to stand whatever you're using right up straight to let the residuals run out, or they will probably not cooperate with you. So it could be worse. Could be better. Could be worse. I think that gold is a little thick. It's an indoor-outdoor paint. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to use some more of that magenta. And a little more of that fire opal. I just want to stir it. I also want to put some silver in there. Don't ask me why. My muse just said, use the silver. Because it'll be contrasty. I think that's why. And a little bit more of that purple flash from Folk Art. And as I've got a little container in my hand, and I've got a hand to use, I'm going to just keep adding colors. Because that's where the cool patterns come from. And nobody says you can't just cross things over and drag things around either. You could definitely put a skewer in. Or a basing brush. There are no rules right now. Sometimes a little texture goes a long way to fixing something you think was bland. It's getting better. I'm happy. I think someone just approached my door, and I should tell them that I'm recording, but they might know that already. So I'm going to sneak in a little bit of this Decor Americana emerald green. These tools make great dribble tools. You might have to be a little cautious. Yes, I like that green. Just be sure to lift them up. Or drag them along. Notice when you get a little smear, because then you can fix it if you want to. You might run out of time, I wonder. I want to check my timer, but I want to keep working. So I should tell you guys, I sell my artwork, and my email address is the best way to contact me in that regard. I just sold a painting yesterday, yay. And my email address is under the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link under the video. I'm just looking at where it might be nice to imagine that some foliage is winding up, because this is some kind of funky garden. I'm thinking, here, I'll show you what I'm seeing. I could even leave, you know, the top empty, but I probably won't. I want more purple. I want to just keep combining strange color combinations, because that's how I learn. I don't even see where that silver went. I guess some of it's in there, which is pretty cool. Not bad, not great. The combinations are very strange. That's okay. I've already told you what they are a bunch of times. Ooh, yes, don't knock your bottles over. Sorry about the spinnies. The odder the color combinations and the odder the shapes, the more interest you're adding. But you gotta stand the shovel or the scoop up to get what you want. So I'm thinking that needs something, and this needs something. I'm going to go back to that orange. I like that color shifting orange from Folk Art so much more than I thought I would. And that's the Deco Art Americana gold, 24 karat gold with the orange in it. And that's the Fire Opal from Folk Art. I want something else there. That's the Mysterious, looking very much like I did not shake it up. But I no longer have fear of Floetrol. Let's go down here. Funky, funky, funky alien flowers. But kind of cool. I'm wondering if I can get enough paint to come out here to make this a finished looking shape. Come on down. And I can definitely go back in there with some green in a bunch of places. Green and turquoise. More green. And that's orange, so let's put that somewhere else. We have visitors, and I'm not sure. Oh, it's the tree guys. That's the dog letting us know. I don't know if you can hear that or not. So, I'm not unhappy or even perplexed a bit anymore, and I think this is almost done, and I've got 2 whole minutes, and that's so cool! I succeeded! Let's see if I can dribble some of that right down here. Make some stemmy looking shapes. That means something completely different in Maine. Just sort of cleaning off the end of my paint residuals. They're just coming out, and it's like a little writing tool. And really cool. I'm very pleased with this. and a little surprised. And maybe I shouldn't be, but I am. Perfect timing, guys. Let's pull out the chainsaw while I'm recording. Okay then. The next noise you hear... Oh, I love those marks. I really do. I have no idea what they're chainsawing either. So that is pretty well done, and I should torch, and I'm not compelled to put anything up at the top of this. If I want anything at all, I find a nice skewer. Ooh, it's already setting up. Find a skewer with a little bit of paint already stuck on the end of it, and just steal it and add some dots. It doesn't have to be a lot, just something. I think I want a different skewer. I don't think I should link too many things because I don't think it really needs it. She said as she then went ahead and linked something that wasn't linked. I kind of like the negative spaces I've got in there, and that's neat. I'm not saying anybody could do this. I'm saying I'm lucky I can. I'm saying I'm lucky I can. All right, so I've got 2 minutes to tell you guys, and I told you I sold my artwork already and where the link is. Let's find the torch. I hit it. Whoa. Anyway, so funky colors, fun colors. We'll see how that Venetian blue dries because that was a lot of Floetrol. But Floetrol will level things out and dries kind of matte, and the Venetian blue was a lot on the iridescent side. So thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching them. I need a different paint skewer for sure. Thank you for watching them longer. Thank you for checking out my new slideshows and liking them. Thank you very much. Kind of hoping maybe one of those might go viral, and that could save my bacon. Yeah, I shouldn't work on things upside down, but somehow I just think dots are the bomb, so I trust my instinct, I guess. And I love you guys. There's almost 89,000, excuse me, there's almost 90,000 of you. There's 89,000 and have been for a little while, but it's a little slow. I gotta stop being perfectionist about fixing things. Luckily I can get away with some of that, but I don't really think I need to do as much as I think I need to do. Oh look, something just calling out for a spiral. Can I get away with it? I don't know. Let's give it 1. So, well, where was I? The link tree has Teespring clothing is under the video. That's Oliver Print leggings and Oliver Print t-shirts. And if you shop there, you help me out, and nobody's been shopping there for a while, so go check it out. My Amazon link is on the link tree, the first blue link under the video, and so are pixels.com and Fine Art America, and Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, and I post my new works on Instagram a lot of times. Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors has albums of the YouTube artworks. I got 1 minute left, and those work people are driving me a little batty. Oh, my last name. Yes. All right, so I see that I want something right here where that little bit of schmutz is. It's not going to bother me to push it off. And do I want something else up here? I guess when it rains it pours. We'll just put a dot anywhere there's a little schmutz and solve my problem. So I love you guys, and what else did I not tell you? I have over 1,500 videos, and you can find them on the playlists. On the end screens, you're going to find a video with this month's exhibition, and you will also find out what the prizes are for anyone who contributes to help support the studio, and you'll be included if you are one of those people on PayPal or Patreon. I will send you a notification, including a copy of what the prizes are, and on the 4th weekend this month of August, I will draw a name. Community Board has tomorrow's video, and Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group also has tomorrow's video. Thank you for the donations. Thank you for all the wonderful comments. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. You're probably already gone. That is so cool. You're not gone. Hey! I did it. Check that out. Wow. Alright, you guys, take care. Bye for now. See you soon, hopefully tomorrow. I publish every day.